Lamdamasigi Saknairaba Socio Political Commentator Potsangbam Sonamani Mashagi Anaba Amana Maram Oiraga ngasi Siza Hospital da Leikhidare Mahakne Hinglingai Matamda SKTV Yauna Manipuri Tongan ba TV channel singi discussion singda panelist ama oina sarukyaduna miyam da marik jumba wafam sing thamnana bahotnabada achaubu thodang lobiramki mahakna Leikhidabada SKTV ki staff pumnamaki maikeidagi awaba fongdokjari amadi leihoriba imung manunggi awabadasu sarukyajari Leikhidraba P Sonamani matam sangna Nagaland police da thabak tawramba khaknatana senior SP ama oinasu thaupuramki North East da amadi Manipur gi mapanda khunda khraba maitei singbu punsinana bahotnabada achauba thodang lorombatanatana haujik leiriba Manipur gi irang asi yauna state asigi tongan ba issue singda akiba leitana lengakta amadi miyamda maru oiba wafam kaya thambiramba misak amani mahakna Manipuri Association North East India gi President Oiramba khaknatana taragi chaisu yauna tongan ba civil society organization singdasu thongmi oiramki
Ching the labor arms ammunition is so paid and angak put the lady Biani Yamna Sati Punamose. Will the president rule armed forces and the state police and administration? Will you please go and recover and seize and take adequate action? Number one. Number two, Meti Mayam Sing Tamdali Sing we don't differentiate Meti Haide. Tamdali Hai. We don't say a Mauni, a cookie, a Tankulni, a chin cookie, John Haide. The Manipur the citizen Haina, we are being known. Different set of the Meti Meti community or Maja, Meti Manipur, it belongs to 34 community. My appeal is, Excellency Governor Na, Mayam the Paidana Ribachung the Lady Sinsiga, your armed forces people, will they really act? Will they really try to recover? Will they really apprehend? Will they really take the proper and adequate action? Ado hek tau kibida tam desu kang de ching desu lone santi lakani.